Hi everybody, today is the 30th of November, St Andrew's Day. Happy St Andrew's Day to you all. As you can see, we're having our first snow of the winter season. It's been snowing on and off all day, but it's mainly wet snow, so it's not actually settling at all. But what it has done has sent the birds bonkers. And you can see they're all scrabbling for as much food as they can get. Please don't forget to feed the birds at this time of year, and they also need water, accessible water. I have a special birthday this weekend, so we've got quite a special trip lined up in the next couple of days, and hopefully we'll be able to get those videos, starting to get them online from about next Thursday, so you won't see anything for a little while from us. Anyway, we'll leave you to watch the rest of the video. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for all your comments, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.